Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetarian brownies. First, let's get organized. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, line an 8x8-inch baking pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on the sides. Now, in a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This ensures everything is evenly combined. Now let's prepare the wet ingredients. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter with 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Stir until smooth. Allow it to cool slightly, then whisk in 2 large eggs, one at a time, until fully incorporated. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Gently fold until just combined, being careful not to overmix, which can lead to tough brownies. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Pour the brownie mixture evenly into your prepared 8x8-inch baking pan. Smooth the top with a spatula. Place the pan in your preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Once baked, let them cool completely in the pan on a wire rack before slicing. This step is crucial for perfect texture. Your delicious vegetarian brownies are now ready to enjoy. For an extra touch, you can dust them with a little powdered sugar or drizzle with a simple chocolate ganache. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain freshness. They're perfect for a sweet treat or sharing with friends and family. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.